Trading's given me an opportunity to go on vacations with my family without having to sacrifice my savings capital. My goal initially was to use trading as a way of earning money so that I could spend it on vacations with my family. When I first caught wind of CFD trading, I did about 6 months of study on my own, and that was extremely difficult because I was there at night by myself trying to work out horizontal support and resistance, what's the trend in the market, and I had no one to answer any of my questions. So then I caught wind of Learn to Trade and the Learn FX course, and I thought, I'll go down the Learn FX course, and I did that in December in 2015. From there I was offered the UW program and just thought, this is just too good of an offer to pass up. And so in January I signed up with UW, and under the tuition of Grant Shee and the coaches here at Learn to Trade, my first result was 6.5%, my second month was 7.9%, and I had my prop account by April. I would say to a beginner that you need to book in your coaching sessions religiously, just the same way I did. Book them in every fortnight, organise your questions, build yourself a education plan of your own that suits you, because everybody trades differently. So you have to see what resonates with your lifestyle, what resonates with the time of day that you can trade, because you can trade in the morning, you can trade in the afternoon, you can trade at night. Get the support from the coaches, come to the master traders, come to the stock indices, just keep coming to the courses and study what you think you're lacking. Because if you're not studying your losses, then the winners don't mean anything at all.